Okay, this guy's gonna be like, what the heck are you doing? Alright, now for the Maxx 3. Oh, there's a combo wash. Sweet. I wanted to do one of those. This one's 11 for the top. That was 14.
Welcome to Splash Car Wash. To purchase a car wash, make a selection and enter your method of payment.
$11? I'm actually gonna set the camera here. I think I'll see part of the machine do work while I figure out what I want to do to pay for this wash. Let's see, I got $4 bills, I have 4 in coins. If I get to 20, I'm gonna get a whole bunch of extra quarters. Alright, well, I might do my card for this one. Checking out at least one more wash after this, so yeah. Oh yeah, almost forgot. There's the Maxx 3. And there's the other bay. Express for 5, the soft touch for 7, the touch free for 9, and the unlimited clean touchscreen and soft touch or combo for 11. So yeah, we'll be doing the combo. So that'll be nice. I was hoping they'd have a combo option. So yeah, we'll be doing that.
You have selected the work. Please deposit $11.
This one's
Please wait while your transaction is processed.
another token.
If you would like a receipt, press the receipt button now.
And I have 2 souvenirs from this place. Wow.
For your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
Okay, that is like loud. Alright, now I get to experience one of these things. I can still hear the other machine going. Alright, now I get to check out one of these. So this machine replaced, oh yeah, once again, this machine replaced a Ryko XS, which replaced an SSA in this bay. So this bay has the history. So we get a combo wash, so that'll be cool. Get the best of both. So yeah, $11 for this one. Still have 0 degree nozzles. Okay, nothing. That's definitely a noisy high pressure right there, and some of the filigree nozzles aren't rotating very well. Honestly, I think Mark 7 probably has the best rotating nozzles because they seem to hold up the best. That is loud. Alright, hopefully get this soft touch cycle now. Yep. That's cool, yeah. Get both. Ooh. my ThrustPro experience. Been waiting a long time for one of these. Or I hope they didn't disable the drop thing. Oh, they might have. Dang, I was really hoping to test out with my camera right here to see how it would react. Aw. The timer is basically impossible to read, but still doing pretty good though. That's one benefit of these things. I gotta fix my mirrors, I just realized that. Hopefully one day I get to have a real ThrustPro experience. But yeah, that was the not double wave, but that's the next place. Splash Car Wash, Tyler, Texas, the second location. That wash was pretty good for $11, both combo and touch-free and soft touch. Alright, so now I gotta fix my mirrors. Some pull over here to do that. With all that said, thank you all for watching, and this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it. I just bumped my horn.